Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2014 14 plate Mercedes A220 AMG Sport. Now this is an automatic vehicle, so really nice and silky smooth through all the gears. It's a night package car, so basically your black package. So we've got privacy glass to the rear. We're riding on these lovely 18-inch diamond turned 5 twin spoke alloy wheels with the gloss black detailing in the centres. They would normally come in a sort of dark grey. We've got the window surrounds in the gloss black. We've got gloss black mirror caps, these sort of roof bars, and then coming through to the front grille, you've got the gloss black detailing within there as well. Now this has had a nice addition of a panoramic glass roof, so it just adds to the aesthetic of the vehicle. Obviously the AMG Sport is your sportier looking car, so more pronounced front and rear bumpers. You get a nice dual exhaust to the rear with a nice lower diffuser, nice flured side skirts to the sides, but a nice car. And then going through to specification, we've got front and rear parking sensors, we've got LED daytime running lights with the headlamp wash. Coming inside, you'll find a lovely sports seat. So it's half leather, half Alcantara. So the bolsters, they're in nice order, very minimal wear on those. The cloth centres, they're quite nice. So very nice and breathable, nice for longer journeys. You've got that sporty flat bottom multifunction steering wheel inside. The suede cloth follows through onto the door cards. You've got red stitching all the way throughout, just to signal that this is the sportier looking vehicle. And then looking through to the rear seats, they're in nice order as well. So again, red stitch follows through. We've got 3 seat belts, so seating for 3. Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched, so they're in nice order. And then just jumping inside, we'll close the door. So, as soon as you step inside, you're greeted with this lovely multifunction steering wheel. The fit and finish inside is absolutely fantastic. So on the steering wheel we've got our voice command, our Bluetooth phone and volume controls. We've got all the controls for the display up ahead. So as we're doing this video today, this vehicle has only covered 86,865 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. And then down there you've got your other information which you can flick through. The gear shifter is just on the side there, so you've got reverse, neutral, drive and park. You've obviously got the flappy paddles as well, allowing you to drive the car manually if you choose to do so. We've got automatic lights on the car, park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear. We've also got cruise control and speed limiter. And then coming through to the center display, the whole dashboard is finished in this lovely carbon effect detailing. But we've got a satellite navigation pre-wire, so you've got the capabilities there. All you need to do is install a Becker Map Pilot Pro module. Just slots into your glove box and gives you the full satellite navigation capabilities. We've got our radio there as well, so it's a full FM radio. We've got our Bluetooth phone and your system settings. All the shortcut buttons for the display. CD player. You've got your selectable driving modes, so manual, sport and eco. Climate control with air conditioning. Obviously we've got quite a bit of central storage, so you've got a 12-volt power outlet there, and you've got quite a bit of storage within there. The center scroll wheel controls the display up ahead. Central armrest is in nice order, that's adjustable as well, and within there you've got even more storage as well as a USB port. But a nice car. Sense of occasion with the panoramic glass roof, so obviously that slides all the way back. You can tilt it up. You've also got the blind for that, so if you want to close it up, you always can do. But this vehicle, it's pretty much ready to go. It's already been through our workshops, so our technicians, they've had a look over the vehicle. It's been through our 128-point pre-delivery inspection. The car's been serviced by ourselves, so when you come to collect the vehicle, obviously you'll get a receipt of everything that we've inspected on the vehicle, everything that we've done on the car, and then it's just been fully valeted, and it'll be fully re-valeted before you come and collect it. So if you'd like anything further on the car, if you'd like a personalised video, if you'd like more images, or you'd just like to book a viewing, please do get in touch. We'll happily book you in. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123, or alternatively you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Again, there's myself, Dominic, on sales. There's also my colleagues Graham and Lee, so any one of us would be happy to help you. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.